Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is an unboxing video from Beebeecraft. I guess this would be my first one for the year, and yeah, Beebeecraft has some awesome products, lots of beads, lots of crafty things. You can get over, pop over there and have a look. You'll be in there for hours looking. And also, if you have 100 or more subscribers, you too could be eligible to do this unboxing and show what you could do with some of their products. Thank you, Beebeecraft, for sticking with me. You know, I've done some unboxing from other companies as well. Beebeecraft keep giving, which is just wonderful. And yeah, so let's get in, and all the links to these products here will be below in the description box. Also, there is a coupon code up here on screen for Lita10, and that is when you get to check out with your goodies, you can get 10% off your own purchase. Now make sure you go through my links, because that will help me, plus it will, you know, show Beebeecraft that people have gone through my links. And yeah, let's get going on this unboxing. I was excited to get this. My first thing in here is some beads, and I've got a project in mind already to do with these. Now in here you get the box of beads, plus you get these beautiful beading needles. I want to undo these. Alright. They pack them, they always pack their products really well. I've never had anything come broken or anything like that. So you've got 1, 2, 3, all this packaging. So in here you've got needles. Okay, large and small needles. And in here are some beautiful variety of red beads. Now I was after a red mix because I want to do this flower, this desert pea flower with the beads. Okay, I've been waiting and waiting to get these beads to do that. So in this, I'll be careful how I open it. Oh, it's got sticky tape on it. Let's get that off. It's come very secure, so nothing's mixed. You know, I can't stand it when you order something and it comes all mixed up. So very securely packaged. Let me get this open without spilling any. Oh, still sticky taped up, is it? No? Well, I'm going to leave this closed and I'll show you the tin. I don't want them to go everywhere on camera. Alright, there's different 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different red beads in here. In the center you've got beautiful little heart beads. It's very hard to see here, but when I do the tutorial I'll show you them close up. Seed beads, bugle beads, these little faceted ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 different types of little faceted ones of different sizes. So I'm really keen to start that little project. I'm going to make a little brooch with these. So beautiful red beads. My next product is a set of these. Now I've got something special in mind that I want to try with these, and I think I'll be able to accomplish what I set out to do. I hope so, hopefully. Now, does anyone, let me get these open, does anyone not use sequins because they're too shiny and too like bam in your face in their crafting. Me, I got this set of sequins. They're on string. Okay, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 8 colours in the pack. There's a I can't. Hang on. Let's get a close up. Come on. Your camera can move now. Alright, so we've got 8 different colours here. I'll try it again. 8 different colours. And they're the sequins that are on the roll. Where are they tied up? Anyway, my I'll see how I can get it undone. My project for these is to see if I can make them look vintage. Okay, because I want to dull them down and be able to use them in my vintage style junk journals. Alright, so that's my little project for these sequin threads. So stay tuned for that video. I've got a few ideas in store for that. My next product is, I'll just take that packet out. They're both in here together. Like, everything comes so well packaged. I'm really grateful of that. Good job, Beebeecraft. Now, my next product is, it comes with a little order thing as well to show you what you've ordered. My next product is these stamps. Aren't they gorgeous? Now, I want to do some mixed media. Some mixed media with these stamps, along with this next product. And this is so well packaged as well. Oh gosh, I appreciate that. That's come in some cardboard so that these stencils don't get bent. I don't know how many times I've got from other companies, some other companies, I won't mention their name, and my stencils come bent. It so annoys me. Alright, these ones as well, and these are going to be a part of my mixed media, and I'll probably use my gel plate with it as well. But they are awesome stencils of different ladies. So there's 1, 2, and you get a pattern and a, you know, you can put the pattern on the dress or the leaf. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 different ladies in this, and I want to put them on some mixed media along with these stamps. So they will be my 3 projects. I think, oh, do I do 3 or 2? Anyway, I'm going to do 3 because that's what I sort of had in mind. So I'll use these 2 together, the stamps and the stencils. I'll do a brooch with these red beads, and I'm going to try and show you if I can age these sequins. So that's my intention for these Beebeecraft products. Thank you, Beebeecraft, for allowing me to do this and sending me these products. So stay tuned for those videos. I'll have one up soon, probably this one, because I'm keen to get that one going. And all these product links will be below in the description box. You can go and see them, and don't forget my coupon code Volita10. When you put that in at checkout, you'll get 10% off. So thank you, Beebeecraft, again, and I will see you soon for a make video with these products. Bye.